dForce DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. dForce is a comprehensive decentralized finance DeFi platform that offers an array of features tailored for crypto enthusiasts, traders, and yield seekers. Designed to simplify DeFi while maximizing efficiency, dForce combines multi-chain compatibility with robust functionalities like lending, stablecoin issuance, and staking, all within a secure, user-friendly interface. What sets it apart is its focus on interoperability and innovation, supporting major blockchain ecosystems like Ethereum, Arbitrum, and BSC, making it accessible to users at every level. In my experience, dForce's lending protocol is the standout feature. The intuitive dashboard allows you to deposit assets seamlessly and earn competitive yields. The process is straightforward. Deposit collateral, borrow against it, or simply earn interest. Ideal for both passive income seekers and active traders. Their native stablecoin, USX, deserves a mention as well. It's algorithmically designed, ensuring stability and usability across a variety of DeFi applications, and I found it especially reliable for cross-platform transactions. Security is always a concern in DeFi, but dForce goes the extra mile with rigorous audits, insurance options, and open-source transparency. I felt reassured using the platform, knowing they prioritize user funds safety with measures like multi-signature wallets and frequent audits. Additionally, gas fee optimization across supported chains significantly reduces transaction costs, which is a huge plus for budget-conscious users. The platform seems designed for versatility, catering to both beginners and seasoned DeFi users. Newbies will appreciate the clear guides and accessible interface, while advanced users will love the integration with yield farming strategies and compatibility with third-party DeFi tools. That said, it's worth noting that while dForce excels in versatility, the platform might feel a bit overwhelming for those entirely new to crypto. However, with a bit of exploration, the learning curve is manageable. Overall, dForce delivers a powerful, reliable, and feature-packed DeFi experience. Whether you're looking to lend, borrow, or leverage the advantages of decentralized stablecoins, dForce offers a solution that is both innovative and secure. My time using it has been smooth, profitable, and reassuringly transparent. If you're in the DeFi space or looking to dive in, dForce is a platform worth exploring.